Hi everybody, this is Olivia, and I thought today it might be really fun to draw a butterfly with the trusty crayons. Here's the antenna and the body. Make some stripes on the body. How about a nice big wing? And here we'll make a nice big wing. And another wing down here, so the butterfly can fly. There. That's all there is to it. But now, let's maybe add some decorations. So maybe we'll add a circle down here, and a circle right there. We'll put a circle up in the end of each wing. How's that? Now we want to color. What color should we color this butterfly? Magenta? Maybe that would be a pretty color to color out here. There. We'll color the other side the same way. That's a pretty color. Okay, and how about a yellow for the for the outside wings here? There's a lot of yellow butterflies, and a lot of them are called monarchs, which are just beautiful. Now we'll color this side. And we'll color the bottom wings this color yellow too. It's a bright, pretty color. It's a happy color. So do you like coloring butterflies? I do. It's one of my very favorite things to draw in color. Okay, now we just have spots and the body and the antenna. Let's see, what color should we make the spots? How about a pretty blue? A cornflower blue, what do you say? That looks nice. And now we'll give the body a green color. Maybe we should make it checked with Light green and dark green. Do you think that'd be okay? I think that'd be a good idea. Well, let's see. How about... Ta-da! Now what color should we make the antenna? The little circles on the antenna. Should we make them blue? Like the dots? I think that'd look pretty. Okay. So we'll make them blue like the dots. Or should we make them a darker blue? How about this color blue? It's almost the same, isn't it? And there you have it, a butterfly. And in case you would like to know how to spell butterfly, I'll write it right here. B U T T E R F L Y. Butterfly. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you soon. Bye.